Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Life Amazing. Today, I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to download Fortnite on your Android device. Let's hop right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Today's shout out is going to a guy named Jellyboy1234. He commented that he subscribed and he shared the video. And here's a look at his channel right here. There you go. Currently has 65 subscribers. And let's check out his about page. There we go. You guys can read that for yourself. Go subscribe to him. Now let's hop into the video. Okay guys, so I did a video on this a while back when Fortnite actually hadn't released an actual version or beta on Android. My method was a workaround, which is kind of sketchy, and I didn't advise that many of you did it. However, I just realized when Googling this that you can actually download Fortnite on Android now. It's in beta. Well, the whole game's in beta, but you know what I mean. And then here, step one is basically just go to Epic Games' website. You can literally just search Fortnite Android. That's all you have to do. Click the first link. It's going to bring you here. Get started. Download. I already downloaded it, but hit open. Install. And I have an LG G6, by the way. For those wondering what compatible devices it has. It had a list there if you guys want to read them, but so click open. Okay, so guys, my previous recording actually got deleted, or it didn't get deleted, it just didn't show up properly, so I'm going to show you when you actually open the app and actually what it looks like. I think that's where I left off, so let's just click Fortnite. Hopefully this recording won't mess up. However, this is a third-party app, so you never know, it could mess with the recording, I don't know. So here you can see Fortnite's loading up. And I'll skip back to when it actually finishes initializing. Or maybe, actually it's going pretty fast, never mind. Actually, I'll cut back. I don't want to make you guys wait. Also guys, just a quick side note, this is taking absolutely forever to load, so depends on what processor you have in your smartphone. Usually what processor and how much RAM, but I have an LG G6, so this is currently taking a while to load, so just keep that in mind when installing this app. Okay, so it's currently loading up. Usually does this on PC and Xbox, PS4 as well. Looks exactly the same, although the bottom left is slightly cut off. Another loading screen. So many loading screens. Okay, so we're in, and this acts exactly like PS4 and Xbox, if you guys are wondering. Click lobby, you can play in the bottom right, you can select the game mode, it's exactly the same like you would normally do. You have the shop. Obviously the resolution isn't as good, as you can see by looking at my character. Season 7 battle, but yeah, leave me alone. And you can also access your friends over here, which is pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. Accept these friend requests real quick. So yeah guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. This is how you download Fortnite on your Android device. This is 100% legit. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Go check out my previous videos. If you want a shout out, just turn on notifications and comment that you did so. Check out my merch store, Discord, join all that. If you want to add me on Fortnite, it's Scoot4321. As you can see in the top left there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.